Alright guys, in this video we will be vapor blasting the pistons for the Chevelle Turbo LS project. Okay, so here's the finished result. And right off the bat, I know some people are going to freak out saying, hey, you can't blast pistons. I wouldn't dry blast the piston, but vapor blasting leaves a very smooth surface finish and actually is super gentle and barely removes any material, okay? And notice here, like here's some scuffing, and you can see the ridges, and these ridges are machine marks. Can actually hear it with my fingernail. Well, that's still here. Okay, and it lightly smooths out any scuffing. So all the pistons had little scuffing. I think this is probably the worst one. And you can see that it completely just smooths that out. Here there's a little remnants of it, but basically barely anywhere at all. And what's cool about the vapor blasting is you can aim the gun in the ring lands here and just completely blow all that stuff out. So these are completely clean other than my dirty fingerprints, so I'll have to hit these with solvent again or brake clean. But in any case, it really just cleans that in there. And you can see how packed with carbon and sludge, and these things are just all coked up. I mean, look at the side there. So it takes about 5 to 10 minutes to do one of these. There's a lot of nooks and crannies that it's a little difficult to get into, but there are the results. So definitely going to reuse these stock pistons, just get them cleaned up and new rings, and we'll run it. Also, another thing to note is that the black coating is now gone on these pistons. You can see here that there's a coating applied here to here, just on the skirt. And a little bit of research shows that it's to reduce in noise, scuffing, and friction, okay, to reduce all those things. Now you can see on this 140,000 mile, you can see that it's already worn off in that critical area, or that's the area where it's touching the cylinder wall the most. Okay, so it's already gone. It really wasn't doing anything. Now, if I were to, I put one of these in Berryman Chem Dip to loosen up the carbon, and it attacked the coating and started peeling off. the vapor blasting removes the coating as well. I am just going to run these pistons without this coating, okay? And they might be a little noisier on cold startup or whatever, but that's just something I'm going to have to live with these stock pistons. Okay, now that the pistons are clean, in the next video we're going to be honing the block and prepping the cylinder walls for reassembling the pistons and also new rings.